welcome to another French lesson. Today we're going to be looking at French vowels, les voyelles. In French, there are 6 vowels. If you speak English, you know that the English alphabet has 5 vowels, but the French alphabet has 6 vowels. If you watched our very first video on lesson 1, where I talked about the French alphabet, you would already recognize some of these vowels, and also you would have started to learn how to pronounce the vowels, how to say the vowels. Okay, let's get right into the practice. Les voyelles in French, vowels in English, okay? Now, our first voyelle is A. For example, argent, sac. E. Or you can say, some people say E and also write it like this. Remember, in lesson 1, I told you that I write like this to give you an idea of how to pronounce the letter. Just something for you to remember, a kind of tip for you to remember how to pronounce the letters. So, regardez, parlez. This is what we've emphasized here. Parlez, regardez. Okay? Next vowel. I. Finir. Girafe. O. Mot. Botte. U. Unique. Univers. I. This is pronounced as I. For the letter, you remember I said I, Greek. That's how you pronounce the letter. But when it's a vowel, you pronounce it I. For example, the I in voyelle. Voyelle. I. This word in French means there. This is a word in French, actually. Okay? Thank you for watching this short video on vowels in French. Come back for our next video. Merci et au revoir.